So I think what I'm going to do today is fix the tie rod on the Polaris 525. I bent it when we were out on the ice a couple of weeks ago. So I have a spare one just here. So what I'm going to do is just take these off, replace that one, should be good to go. I actually have some extra parts so that I can, so we're missing a broken one of these on that one as well, so I can replace this. I actually ordered in some of these, so I do have extras, which is good. So what I got to do is get this off and change this one tie rod. You'll see it all bent to bits. So I will change that one today. So first thing I got to do is I'm going to take these off. This one looks in good shape, so I have to just take the tie rod ends off. And then I just need the actual tie rod. I'm going to reuse the ones that are on there because I need these for the other 525. Once that is done, I'm going to take the tie rod off, tire off, lower ball joint, or lower tie rod ends, and then take that tie rod apart, go from there. Okay, what I'm doing is we're just getting some parts together, getting some tools together to be able to start this. Should be rather easy to get it all apart. Make sure I get the right tools. Up in the air a little bit. Alright, as you can see, it's bent pretty good. Now, it seems to have a little click in the tie rod end. This end here is not too bad. Now these other ones, They're also not in the best shape, to be completely honest. I thought they would be in better shape, but they're not. Luckily, this one, I mean, they're slightly different as well. But I think I may have some more. So I'm gonna have a look here. We've got lots of bushings, lots of bearings. Luckily, I have tie rod ends. These are all balls, Kimpex. Inner and outer, inner and outer. So, that's a bonus. Stickers, which will go on the chest. So I only need one set. Outer comes with the cotter pins. It's lucky to have lots of extra parts on hand. Same part number, I just want to make sure. Yeah. Perfect. So all I got to do is change these out onto this, throw that in the garbage. I have to order some more ball joints, sorry, tie rod ends. All right, so we have the bent tie rod, and the tie rod ends are toast. They're pretty bad shape. Luckily, we've got enough parts to do the front and rear of both machines, both 525s. The rear ends are different, but the front ends are the same. So I have extra tie rod ends, I have extra ball joints, I have every bushing and bearing needed to replace the entire rear end of both machines, suspension wise. So we've got new tie rod ends, and we're going to use one of the old tie rods from the IRS and put it on the S. It actually goes like this: inner, outer. So this end on that end on that end. We're good. We'll have to do a new alignment and whatnot as well. There's one off. That's been in there a long time. Hopefully it comes out. Didn't want to move, but I'll force it. She's in there a long way. I have to get some measurements off of this side just to make sure I get it close. Same thing here, nothing big. I'll take some measurements, make sure it's right, get it close, then I'll finally adjust it when it's in place. So I have 5 mil on the one side, 10 mil on the other side. Bang on 10 mil. Sure luck. This tie rod end on set at 10 mils, just like the opposite side of the bike. Moves much more freely, less. This one here is supposed to be set at 5 mil. I am going to double check. Roughly 5 mils, 5 thread. So, see how that works. We got them on. Now we just have to install it back on the machine. Fits perfectly. That's going to fit perfectly. I think I still will put this washer on here. I don't, why not? We don't have to do too much alignment. But we may. Wrong size. There we go. So that's on there. Seems to be good and tight. I may switch back to this nut. It's a little taller. I'm gonna check it out right now. I don't like the way this one's sitting, so we're gonna have a look how this one goes on, and then I'll see if it's tighter to the cotter pin. It's also a different size. Yeah, I like that one better. want to make sure this is getting tight. Yeah. There's that. Slide that cotter pin in. How do those tires look from there?
Looks okay. Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of traction.
Did you count how many studs you put in those?
What?
Did you count the studs?
No.
No.
500-ish.
Yeah.
Let's just see how to...
Looks like is it in just a touch? I don't know.
What?
Maybe not. It almost looked like that was just to me, but maybe not.
It looks like that. It's tough to tell, eh?
Yeah. No, that looks actually not bad.
Whoop. Didn't mean to put it in gear. Okay, so right there is straight.
Yeah. That might be in just a touch.
This
Yeah.
is in a touch.
Yeah.
That one's good.
Yeah.
This I have to bring
Oh.
the back in a hair, right?
I think it's got to go.
The back end has to come in. Front end
Yeah.
has to go out.
Yeah. Just about a ½ inch, I think is about.
Yeah. I agree. That's straight.
Fine.
Hold on, let me look at it first. It's all on right? So I have to go up. Bring it in.
So I'm going to start tonight a contest on the Crownlands group. I got a $500.
How's that look, Ryan?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah? Let me just double check here. This is straight.
Yeah, it looks.
In.
So I'm going to start a contest. I got a $500 gift certificate from an RV technician
Oh, nice.
to do some work, but they're going to have to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel to enter.
So I've got 16 inches to center there. I've got 16 inches to the center there. Over here, I've got 16.5 inches to there. And on this side, I've got, put that in the center, right dead center of the tire. So I've got 960 to center, or 960 center to center. So center here should be 480, which is fucking bang on. Huh. Okay, what do I got? Hold on, hold it there, keep it on center. So there, let me see. It's within fucking a mil or two.
Yeah.
That's that one. Fixed. Alright. Looks like we got the tie rod in. Tie rod, everything's set. Alignment looks good. Within reason. Next run, I'll double check it afterwards, but everything seems to be good. Place their brake line holder. The one on this side's good.